Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable connectivity labs in your Samsung smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the settings in your Samsung smartphone. Once you are on the setting page, you need to go to connection. Tap on connections and you will find Wi-Fi. Tap on that one. From here, you need to tap on the three lines. Once you tap on the three lines, you will find intelligent Wi-Fi. Tap on that one. You need to scroll all the way down where you will find intelligent Wi-Fi. So you need to tap on that multiple times. And as you can see, now that is enabled. So I will go back and I will tap on the three lines again and then intelligent Wi-Fi, and I will come all the way down here, and now as you can see, Wi-Fi developer options. So now as you can see, the Wi-Fi developer options or the connectivity labs are enabled. So guys, this is how you can enable connectivity labs in your Samsung smartphone. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.